Meet the weirdest dads in the animal kingdom. One survives months without food, and one actually gives birth. Cut number 3, the emperor. Penguin dad, he stands in 60 gray. See winter for 2 months, balancing his idea on his feet without eating a single bite. He loses half his body weight for his baby. Number 2, the sloth dad, the most chill father on earth. Literally, he mates then leaves and never even meets his own baby. Scientists call them the ultimate deadbeat dad. And in number 8, Seahorse dad, he's the only on earth that gives birth up to 2,000 babies. Pop out at his pouch. Subscribe for more amazing